At Oak Ridge National Laboratory, we're using science to reshape the future of nuclear energy. Our researchers are pioneering new materials and using advanced manufacturing to reduce the cost and accelerate deployment of next-generation reactors. Translating bold ideas into real-world solutions, we're applying artificial intelligence to accelerate licensing of new reactors, helping to bring safe, reliable power to the grid faster than ever. We're helping industry develop the fuels and fuel cycle technologies that will power reactors more efficiently and securely. And through partnerships across our community, ORNL is helping train the nuclear workforce of tomorrow, ensuring the U.S. remains a global leader in nuclear science and innovation. Big science, big impact. This is ORNL, where discovery drives America's energy future.